up? Welcome back. I will be doing another video for accessories and aesthetic modifications to your car. This one will be for a Mazda CX-5. So let me show you what I got. So this is what I've got. Most of it is from Amazon. This is an infotainment screen protector. I have ordered a bumper sticker just to go on the window of my vehicle because I'm an OSU alumni. I had one on my other car. This is an air freshener. I guess it's essential oils, but I got it because it's Harry Potter themed. Little Deathly Hallows. And then you can just put the scents in there. This is a console cover to go in the middle. These are door latch covers. I also put these on my Miata. I'll link that other video. This is a CX-5 license plate frame. Just wanted to get something to put around it. This is a storage container for the trunk. It pops up. I'll be using that to put all my emergency items and stuff in. I ordered these seat covers. They go on the bottom just to keep the seats clean and from getting gene transfer. So I have some for the front and the back. So before I start doing all this, I'm gonna go wash my car to make sure it's clean. Door latch covers are really easy to put on. You just take off the 3M tape and stick it on. Alright, back seat cushion I'm gonna put in. So these go in the back here like this.